The off-road world has been buzzing, and for good reason. The legendary Toyota FJ Cruiser is back for 2025. This modern rebirth of the beloved 4x4 combines retro styling with cutting-edge technology, serious off-road credentials, and just enough refinement to make it a daily driver. The 2025 FJ Cruiser doesn't just pay homage to its roots, it redefines them for a new generation of explorers. So, whether you're an FJ enthusiast or just curious about what's new, let's dive into everything this rugged SUV has to offer. Design, retro meets modern muscle. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 FJ Cruiser, it's clear Toyota knew exactly what they were doing. The boxy silhouette, round LED headlights, and contrast roof scream vintage FJ40, while modern touches like flush door handles, bold LED DRLs, and aerodynamic tweaks bring it firmly into 2025. The updated grille integrates Toyota's new badge style, and the wide stance on 33-inch tires gives it a commanding presence both on and off the pavement. The rear retains the classic swing-out tailgate with a mounted spare, and optional accessories like roof racks, rock sliders, and skid plates make the FJ feel ready for any terrain. It's an unmistakable blend of nostalgia and innovation, something few modern SUVs can claim. Interior, rugged, refined, and tech-savvy. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that honors the FJ's rugged heritage while offering comfort and connectivity that today's drivers expect. Durable materials dominate the interior, rubberized flooring, water-resistant upholstery, and easy-clean surfaces make it adventure-proof. But it's not all about function. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen takes center stage, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a revamped Toyota infotainment system. Physical buttons remain for off-road controls, HVAC, and drive modes, an intentional choice for glove-friendly usability in rough conditions. The instrument cluster is fully digital but customizable, offering terrain data, pitch and roll indicators, and real-time navigation. Powertrain and performance, built to conquer. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ Cruiser doesn't disappoint. Toyota offers two engine options, a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing 275 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, and an optional hybrid powertrain combining that same turbo engine with an electric motor for a combined output of around 325 horsepower. Both are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, though rumors of a manual option for enthusiasts still linger. But where the FJ really shines is off-road. Standard features include Toyota's new Terrain Select system, crawl control, locking rear differential, and a 2-speed transfer case. Ground clearance sits at an impressive 10.2 inches, and the approach and departure angles rival even the most capable Jeeps and Broncos. Whether you're rock crawling in Moab or exploring snowy trails, the FJ Cruiser is ready. Technology and safety, adventure with peace of mind. Toyota hasn't skimped on the tech. The 2025 FJ Cruiser comes with the full suite of Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Off-road, you'll benefit from features like a 360-degree terrain camera, trail mapping, and real-time tire pressure monitoring for each individual tire. There's also a trail telemetry system that records your route, ideal for overlanders who want to backtrack or share trails with friends. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and an optional JBL off-road sound system round out the tech package. Customization and trims, something for everyone. Toyota is offering the 2025 FJ Cruiser in 3 main trims: Base, Trail Pro, and Overland Edition. The Base is impressively equipped, with standard 4WD, off-road essentials, and the full safety suite. The Trail Pro adds locking front and rear diffs, a factory lift, Fox shocks, and beadlock-capable wheels. Finally, the Overland Edition leans into expedition-ready territory with a roof tent mount, extended fuel tank, solar-ready electricals, and built-in cargo solutions. In addition to trims, Toyota will offer a wide array of accessories at launch: everything from mall panels and roof baskets to snorkels and recovery gear, making it easy to personalize your rig straight from the dealership. Fuel economy and pricing, balancing power and practicality. Despite its size and strength, the 2025 FJ Cruiser delivers decent fuel economy for its class. The base turbo engine offers around 20 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, while the hybrid version improves that to 23 city and 27 highway. These numbers are impressive considering the vehicle's off-road focus. Pricing starts around $43,000 for the base model, with the Trail Pro trim expected to hit the mid-$50,000 range. The fully loaded Overland Edition with hybrid powertrain and add-ons could cross the $60,000 mark, but with everything it offers, many will find that well worth the price. Conclusion: a legend reborn. The 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser is more than just a nostalgic throwback, it's a serious off-roader built for today's adventurers. It honors its legacy while embracing modern engineering, tech, and sustainability. Whether you're a weekend trail runner, a hardcore overlander, or someone who just loves the FJ vibe, this SUV delivers on all fronts. Toyota has taken its time bringing the FJ back, and it shows. The 2025 FJ Cruiser is bold, capable, and unapologetically different, a perfect fit in a world that's craving authentic adventure.